video, and we're gonna post this video first because now having a long time with you. Oh, Ajenica. So, laking seafood na. So, later I'm gonna close it. So, okay, here we go. Okay, we're now in the next shell. So, juicy. Seafood, 18 dark. The $18, the $18. Chesto. Ang laki niyan eh. Oh, di ba? Nandito si Lola. Okay, I don't want the original one. Ay, ito yung pinapainom ko kay Lola, oh. Ito yung pinapainom.
Gusto mo iced tea? Ayaw mo niyan?
Ayoko niyan.
Ito.
Ayan. Ayok. Ayan yung sinasabi ko sa iyo, yung pinapainom ko kay Kyle original. Green tea. I like green tea.